Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install and set VLC media player as default player in Windows 11. Type VLC media player in browser search bar. Click VLC media player. Click download VLC. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Next. Click Next. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Default Apps. Type VLC. Click VLC Media Player. Change all extension open with VLC Media Player one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.